Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so sorry for not being able to upload for you guys, but honestly I was just so caught up with work and just the holidays. It was a lot, and I know I shouldn't be making excuses, but 2019 should definitely be different. Happy New Year's to everyone. I hope everyone had a really good holiday with family and friends. I am back with the vlogs and I'm so excited to bring you guys more content. 2019 is gonna be a lot better, you guys, so stay tuned and subscribe if you have not subscribed. Please hit that thumbs up and turn on that post notification so you can be notified when I upload again. But for today's vlog, I'm actually gonna bring you with me to pick Bella out some treats because it is her birthday and I'm just so excited. She's turning 1. If you don't know who Bella is, she's my little fur baby. And I'm not sure what she is, so if you wanted to ask what she is, I'm not sure. She's a mixture of different dogs, so I'm not really too sure what she is, but she's the most cutest, adorable, loving little pup, and I want to make her feel special for the day, so I'm gonna go get her a little something and I'll bring you guys along with me. So first stop of the day is gonna be getting me some coffee. I haven't had coffee all morning, so I'm definitely gonna get me some cold brew. My favorite thing to get here is vanilla sweet cream cold brew, so I'm gonna get some coffee. Then probably just get some gas and then head on over to the pet shop, hoping that they have the treats that I'm looking for. So I got my coffee, I got my vanilla sweet cream cold brew, but tell me why I ordered it for the wrong store. And I get there and the girl's like, do you have a mobile order? I'm like, yeah. She's like, I haven't received anything. Are you sure you got it for the right store? And I checked, and of course it's for a totally different store, and she was so nice. She was nice enough to be like, did you want me to make it for you? I'm like, if you can. If not, it's not a big deal, I'll go get it. But she was so nice. She made the drink for me even if I didn't pay for that store or order at that store, so thank God I didn't have to drive all the way over there. So I'm back and I found a place where we could get treats for her. I got this cute little cupcake for dogs. Look at how adorable that is. They just gave me instructions to put it in the microwave for a little bit, but it's perfectly safe for her. I'm so excited to give that to her. I got her another little treat, which is like a hot dog on like wrapped up with like bread or something. So I'm gonna save this for another day, but I'm definitely excited for her to try this. Are you ready for your treat? Are you ready? So I cut up a little bit of her hot dog, I don't know what they call this, her little hot dog on a blankie or whatever the name is. But I cut up a little bit, I warmed it up, and I give her that for now. Hi Mama, you ready for your first birthday treat? You ready? Yummy! Bella! It's your birthday, Mamas! Bella! It's your birthday. Why do you put your ears back? Bella, it's your birthday. You want to go outside? Let's go to the park. Come on, let's go to the park. You want to go to the park? Look. Bella, look, you look so cute. You look so fun. You want to go to the park? Let's go to the park. Come on. Come on. It's your birthday! It's your birthday, Mamas! It's your birthday! Come on, go! Come on, come on, come on, come on! Come on, come on, come on! Run! 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 Vlogging while running around with the dog is not easy. But we're having a great time. She's enjoyed herself. I think she's out of breath now. She probably needs some water. But we had a great time. Can't wait to give her her little cupcake. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be fun. There she is. Let me see. There she is. She's such a cutie pie. I can't believe she's 1. I'm that dog mom. She's growing up so fast. I think she needs a sibling. Pretty soon, maybe. Also, I might stop by Panera and get me some food because I'm starving. So I might just take her home because I know if I take her even through the drive-thru, she's gonna be barking at everyone. Come here, baby. Come on. So I might just get some Panera, head home, and we will see what I'm doing for dinner later. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go with the half chipotle chicken avocado melt and the half modern Greek salad with quinoa. I'm so ready to eat. It looks so yummy. The chicken chipotle sandwich and the Greek salad with quinoa. As I'm eating my lunch, I'm just debating on what I'm gonna do for dinner. I kind of want to do like a healthy chicken salad. So I don't know, but I might, if I do that, I have to go to the store and, you know, get what I need. So just debating on it. I still don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm about to make a healthy chicken salad. It's super easy to make. It's super fast. I actually ended up getting a chicken that was already made. So I'm just gonna shred that up and make the chicken salad. It's pretty healthy since I'm trying to be on the healthier side. I went to the gym this morning. I'm trying to get back on it. So with that being said, I'm going to show you guys what you need, and I'm going to leave the exact measurements down below if you guys are interested in making it. Okay, so these are the ingredients that we're going to need for the chicken salad. I ended up just getting rotisserie chicken just so it was easier and faster to make and I didn't have to cook the chicken anymore. I ended up getting the light mayo just so it's less calories. I'm gonna mix that with plain Greek yogurt. We are going to add some dill relish. We're also gonna add some onion. I ended up getting the red onion. You can get white or red, that doesn't really matter. I got the chopped one just so I didn't have to chop it anymore. Some celery. For seasonings, we're gonna use onion powder or garlic powder, or both if you like. We're gonna use some black pepper, Lori seasoned salt, and we're gonna season it with a little bit of chicken seasoning as well. And we're gonna be serving that on a 12-grain toast. I like to toast the bread and then just put the chicken salad on the top, but that's totally up to you, however you like.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Bella.
She loves it.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday,
Bella.
You're one.
Oh,
You love it?
She loves it.
Do you love it? Happy birthday! Yummy! Looks so good.
Damn, Bella, save some for me. Yo, I want to try it. She's going.
Good girl. Your birthday hat is all the way in the back. Your birthday hat. Yummy. Love you, baby girl.
We love you.
Enjoy it.
Yappy birthday. Her little hat says yappy birthday.
You dropped it, Mama. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And with that being said, we're just gonna watch Bella finish eating her cupcake. Hope you guys enjoyed watching her first birthday with me. Bye guys.